Welcome to my channel. If you're back here, then welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then please subscribe down below to the channel. So today I'm bringing you something different to the channel. So normally I do like haul videos, nail product reviews, little mini tutorials, first impressions, things like that. But today I'm doing something slightly different. So I've been watching these girls killing it on YouTube and launching a lash business. So I decided to jump on that bandwagon, and I've ordered some products, some lashes, and I've decided I want to try and launch a lash business. So I'm going to vlog that journey on here. So my lashes have arrived. I'm still waiting for some other bits to arrive to put it all together, but I thought we would unbox the lashes together, and I'm just going to, you know, film this whole process, and we'll see how it goes, and you can like help me down below, give me any tips. I haven't named the lashes yet, so hopefully you guys can help me name them. If not, I'll just name them. But yeah, we'll open up the lashes, and as products arrive in, I'll show you how that journey goes. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video, and let's get looking at lashes. So here is the box of lashes that have arrived. I've got 30 pairs of lashes in here, and there's 3 styles. Now all I've done is open the box. I haven't actually opened these lashes, so I thought we would open them together on the start of my new lash journey. So let's open these up and get our first impressions. So I still haven't got the actual boxes for these yet. They haven't arrived, but once they arrive we'll package them together. So this is the first style, so let me get these out, and I have to name these as well. Oh my god, they are so fluffy. So if you've got any suggestions for any names, I mean, I might have named them by the time this video goes up, comment down below. But these lashes are beautiful. So I've got, how many have I got of these? One, two, one. God, I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 10 of the same style. Well, obviously, I can't believe I just did that. 30 pairs, 3 styles, and I just had to count. So that's the first one. I mean, I'm really impressed by that. I need to go and take some pictures, but I think until the boxes come, should I take pictures with just these, or should I take pictures inside the boxes? I might take both. Hopefully the boxes will arrive anytime soon. But yeah, I love those already. So let me just put those back together. Let's get out the next style. This is the next one. These, oh wow. So I don't want to damage them, see. So these are more crisscrossy. But these look lovely too. But they cross over more. But again, and they feel really nice. These are mink. I think I've got mink lashes, 3D mink. I think they said that they were only 15 mm, but they do seem quite long. I need to double check that. But these are stunning. I think the first ones I think are my favourite, but obviously lashes look different once they're on. But that's that one. And then this is the final set. So it's almost like a mix between the first and the second. So if you can see those. So it's got shorter pieces and longer pieces. They seem just as long, they're just as fluffy. They've got like the black band across. But yeah, I think those are great as well. So obviously I've got 10 of those. So yeah, I love them. I think that's really good. I think I need to wear a pair and just check I'm happy with them, because I didn't sample any lashes. I mean, it took me ages to find some that I liked and some that were happy with the price. So they're how I chose these. So I've put them on a white envelope so that you can see them better rather than against the grey background. But that was the first one that I showed you, that was the second one, and that was the third one. So which one's your favourite? So number 1, number 2 or number 3? Let me know which one you prefer the best. Comment any name suggestions down below. What I will do is, when my boxes arrive, I will show you the boxes, and then we'll put these into the boxes and we'll name the lashes, and then it's all about listing them. I'm a beauty therapist already, so I already have a website, I already sell products, so it's a case of just putting these on and advertising them out. But we'll show you the next stages as that happens. I'll tell you how I found my vendor. I found my vendor through AliExpress. So you can find them on Alibaba, AliExpress. Alibaba, I just found that they just took too long to respond, or they cost so much for shipping. So AliExpress, I found a better deal. So that's where I got these from. There's just thousands and thousands on there. So you just need to find what's right for you. But yeah, let me know down below which is your favourite. If you've got any questions, what you want me to include in this Lash series of videos. And yeah, we'll be back soon with the next step. See you soon. Bye.